Division. Division within the 1, 2, 5 and 10 times tables. When we divide, we share into equal groups. We have 6 socks. We have 2 socks, 2 socks and 2 socks. 6 socks can be shared into 3 equal groups of 2 socks. We can count in twos to check. 2, 4, 6. 6 socks in 3 equal groups. Equal means the same amount or number of things. Dividing by 1 means sharing into one group. 9 divided by 1. If we have 9 sweets and we want it in one equal group, there will be 9. So 9 divided by 1 is 9. We can check by doing the opposite. So 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. Let's check with an example. 7 divided by 1. What's it asking us to do? Divide 7 into one equal group. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. So 7 divided by 1 is 7. And we can check by multiplying. 7 times 1 is 7. That's correct. Dividing by 2 means sharing into 2 equal groups. If we have 8 divided by 2, or 8 sweets in 2 equal groups, how many have we got in each group? We've got 4. Dividing by 2 is the same as halving. Or we could count in twos until we reach 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. We count 4 times. We can check by doing the opposite. 4 times 2 equals 8, so that's right. Let's do an example. 10 divided by 2. What is it asking us to do? Divide 10 into 2 equal groups. We can count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 5 equal groups, and we can check by multiplying. So 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. That's correct. It helps if you know your times tables. Dividing by 5 means sharing into 5 equal groups. What's 10 divided by 5? We have 10 sweets in 5 equal groups. Let's put them into the boxes. There are 2 in each box. We could count in 5s until we reach 10. 5, 10. We count 2 times. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, and we can check by doing the opposite. 5 times 2 equals 10. So that's right. Let's look at an example. What's 15 divided by 5? What's it asking us to do? Divide 15 into 5 equal groups. We can count up in 5s to 15. 5, 10, 15. There are 3 equal groups. And we can check our answer by multiplying. 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. So that's right. Remember, it helps to know your times tables. Dividing by 10 means sharing into 10 equal groups. 20 divided by 10. 20 sweets in 10 equal groups. If we put our sweets into 10 equal groups, we'd have 2 sweets in each group. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Dividing a whole number ending in 0 by 10 removes the 0. Or we could count up in 10s until we reach 20. 10, 20. It's 2 groups we count 2 times. And we can check by doing the opposite. 10 times 2 equals 20. That's right. Let's look at an example. What's 40 divided by 10? What's it asking us to do? Divide 40 into 10 equal groups. Let's count up in 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. There are 4 groups. We can check our answer by multiplying. 4 times 10 equals 40. That's right. Remember, it helps to know your times tables. Remember, when we divide, we share into equal groups. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. Dividing by 2 is the same as halving. And we can count up by the divisor until we reach the number. We can check by doing the opposite and multiplying the numbers together. And it really helps to know your times tables.